Today we will go and make one SMD soldering, and I will let you know. So this is basically a SMD soldering for SOIC package, and I am using this soldering iron. You can see this is the tip here, and normal 60-40 solder. That will be good for you. And what else we will need? Yeah, so this is something called SI5351. It's a normal clock oscillator which we use in most of my radio projects as a carrier oscillator clock generator. So let me show the real SI5351 to you. So this is the SI5351 IC, and I have to pick only one. Just make sure that your body is not connected to any kind of electricity, or you are not wearing any kind of such things. So because these are electrostatic discharge safe, ESD safe devices, so you need to take care of all the ESD, electrostatic discharge, that comes around you. That is the thing. So how are you, friends? If you like my videos, don't forget to like my channel also. And basically what we will use today is a tweezer like this. So actually I have oiled these things, greased, because it was catching rust. So I have to file and oil them. So let's see. This is I'm first time doing it. Let me take off my specs because it's in the minus thing, and let me push this directly this side, and let's see which side is the top. So I can see one dot is there. If you can see that, there is a dot on this side, which is the number 1 pin of the IC. And on the IC, if you will see, the dot is on this side, the same side I am on my side, left hand side, down there is the dot. So that is our reference point, and we have to set it. If you have a helping hand like normally we get in stores, use it. Otherwise you can just simply use your another hand, hold the IC in the place. That is one of the issues. Just make sure the IC is actually in its place and not misaligned. Oh, I misaligned the entire thing. Stupid. Fine, that should be good. And no need to take any extra solder, just touch it. On the pad you can see there are already some solder is there already. So if you want to see, don't worry, that will actually happen if you're doing first time. Uh-oh, I messed it up, but don't worry, happens. And I have to take it out. Yeah, just use like that. That should be it. And on the other side, yeah, so let me see. Don't worry about the excess solder actually. Just make sure you don't give extra heat. If you are using 35 watt soldering iron also, it's good, no issue. Don't use it for too much time. That is the only thing I have for you. I will tell you how to clean in this mess actually. And as that side has been already cast up, so what I will do, is like this. So you can see this, it's already a mess. But don't worry, there is a solution. And the solution is very easy, I'm telling you. It's very easy. And the solution is this, the desoldering wicks actually, and we can use them, very easy. Just make sure it is clean. I use some sponge to make sure it is clean, and just hold it here just like this. And slide it. I think the heat is not sufficient here. That doesn't matter. With the 35 watt soldering iron, this should be enough, because this is a 15 watt only, so it is not coming out. Let me switch on my 35 watt actually. And don't worry about these things. It happens. If you will do it in the first time, it will happen. No issue. So this is good for retouching only, or let me see if I can do this. I guess this is not able to make it heat, so that is why these things are not coming out easily. But with a 35 watt, I guess that should be easy enough. Is it hot enough? Yeah, should take a little bit time. That's it, done. Once again. That's it, it's done now. If you want, you can have a close look, or using a, I guess I have messed up here with the pads here. We can clean this up, no issue. Okay, we can clean it using Iso Propyl Alcohol or acetone. Not acetone, IPA will be best. We can check it with a, but let me clean it. With the isopropyl alcohol actually. And where is the brush? Yeah, let's clean the mess. If you want to retouch, you can still use the smaller one there, a small soldering iron here, but it's time for testing. So let's check it out. Ohms. Also okay. There is nothing. There is nothing. 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 Okay. So at some point there will be some resistance, that's okay. We have to check the data sheet actually, but that should not go below like short, that should not so short. There may be some capacitance, stray capacitance, and that may be showing up. So you need to check every pin with the another one. No, 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 no. Okay, 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 fine. With respect to this, so we can see here all the pins here. On the left hand side there is 1 2 3 4 5. These all are going on this side. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7 8 9 10. These all are going this side. So as we have checked, it's working fine. And if you want, you can check with the connectivity with the pin also. Let's make this. You see, but with respect to 2, there is nothing. Now coming to 2, nothing with the 1, but with the 2. The 3, nothing. Let me push to 3. Yeah, okay, it is showing something, means I have to correspondently connect it very precisely, otherwise it will not happen here. See, with 3 there is a buzzer sound, with 2 there is no buzzer sound, with 4 there is no buzzer sound. Now I am coming to 4, nothing. Okay, I may, yeah, nothing. This one for this, and the last one here on this side. This is actually 6th pin. From 10th to 6th pin we have checked, and for 1 to 10, sorry, 1 to 5, let's check this way. This is the first one. We have checked it. Okay, fine, fine. But let me check with the number 1 and number 3. There is no short. Now with the number 3, let's check the number 2. Okay, is there a short here? No. Number 2, there is no short. With number 3, yeah. So I am actually misconnecting. Yeah, so it's a very small pins. You need to be very careful. If possible, there just wind wind a wire like this here. You have to scrap it off and use it like this, and you can touch there, or use some sharper pins here, sharper pins. So if there is a buzzer sound, it is definitely short. If there is some resistance, that may be due to the internal circuits. 5 is okay. Okay, then the third one, then the fourth one, finally the fifth one. Right. Okay, so this is the SI5351 without short circuit. We have done it. Don't worry about the mess up. If you make this a mess up, don't worry about it. That is my only request. I think I made this video a little bit long, but to explain you the SMD soldering and easiness, I think it should be work. I think this video should work for you, to get you out of that ghost stories about SMD. Nothing to worry. SI5351 are 60 to 70 rupees, but yes, for to develop your skill, it's okay. You may not need this. I'm telling you. With this also you can make it. With this also you can make it easily. That's it for today, guys. This is View 3 Golf Delta Papa from India. Signing off. 73.